Wake up, shorty, you been nice on the makeup.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a super glowy summery makeup tutorial using only 3 products. I got these from a makeup artist I've been working with. She gave me some products to take home, which I've been using daily. And now the second time that I saw her, she gave me more. So 2 products from this brand. I hope I can pronounce it right. It's Kjaer Weis. So this is the foundation. And I also got this little blush and bronzer palette. This thing is so cool. It's super heavy, like extremely heavy. And I looked it up on the website and they said you can buy a refill. Once this finishes, you can just buy a refill so you can keep this beautiful little thing. So this has a bronzer and a blush, and I'll only be using these products here and the mascara. Yeah, let's get started. I hope you don't hear the washing machine. Let's just ignore it. Here we have the foundation. How fancy is this? The weather here in the Netherlands has been so terrible. It's officially spring, but it's cold, raining, storming, lightning, thunder, everything together. I really like this foundation. I hope this light, because last video I was struggling with the light so much, I just borrowed one from Don Slice. He uses for his music videos. I'm gonna turn the brightness down. Oh, maybe this is way better. Here I am again, struggling with lighting, both. So I cannot wait for summer. Me and Don, we live near the beach. I just want to have those days again where you can just wake up, hop into a beautiful light summer dress, call one of your friends, and go to a terrace or take your towel and just hang out at the beach all day. I actually self-tanned for this video. I'm so pale. And last year around this time, it was so much better. The weather was so warm. I'm running out of patience. I really am.
Please, I need some more of you. You're amazing.
Just gonna be pretending it's warm outside, and we do not want to wear a lot of foundation when I go to the beach, or I don't wear makeup at all, or I'm just gonna go with a really light, beautiful foundation like this one and not wear anything else. Oh no.
What's wrong with me?
I broke it. And it's actually glass, so I can't use it again. Oh no. Look. Oh my gosh. Trying anyway. Fuck it. Yeah, got some. Checking for glass. No glass. Wow, I'm so stupid. And last time I broke my eye pencil. Guess I have to buy it for real then. Only problem is I'm broke. Well, guess we're done with foundation. No, we're actually done. Okay, moving on to our second product. The bronzer and the blush. I always start with bronzer. I don't know about you, but just gonna do this with my finger. I think it's supposed to be done with your finger, so oh, look, this is so nice. I'm already really happy. Nice. Ooh, I like it. Also, I'm not doing anything with my brows. Again, as I was telling you, this is a 3 product tutorial only. And who has time to do their brows when you go to the beach, right? Am I right? Wowzers. And how funny, that last video I was talking about me needing a cream bronzer, and guess what I got? A cream bronzer. This is so nice. Can you see it? Bit on my nose. See, I popped a little pimple here. Just put bronzer on top. Like seriously, do I not look like I've been chilling in the sun all day? Then blush. Ooh. Oh, wow, so pretty. I'm on my period, so I might cry. This is such a nice color. I love it. Freaking love it, mate. Wowie. Okay, then I'm gonna put some on my eyelid, the bronzer. Works really well too. I love it when you have a multifunctional product. You spend all your money on one good product and use it for your whole face. And I didn't even spend money. But I will in the future. I will definitely buy 1,000 refills from this product. So I did some of the bronzer in my outer corners. And now I'm gonna put some blush on the middle of my eyelid. Is that enough? Is that enough? Yeah. Now some blush. I think the blush is a little more pigmented. Cute. A bit more. Yeah, that's cute. Let me just put a bit of blush on my lips as well. I should have some lip balm. Taking that off. Isn't that just beautiful? Then I'm gonna put on some mascara because, you know, my eyes are tiny. My eyes are tiny. And you don't even need brushes for this look, guys. How amazing. You can just put this little heavy thing in your purse and get on with your day. This, I mean. Oh. Let's move on. I get so clumsy when I'm on my period. I don't know if that's normal. Really putting a lot on your outer corner lashes. Is that a word? Just putting a lot here. Come on guys, go up. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh, the sun is shining. See? Just manifest it and it will happen. I'm here in my summer top with my summer hair and my summer makeup and the sun just comes out all of a sudden. So, yeah. I guess that is it for the really, really, really easy summer makeup. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching again. I really hope you enjoyed and let me know what you think in the comments. Lots of love. See you soon.
Girl, wait.